Hello, everyone. It's another evening. A sudden storm hit with such intensity that no one had time to prepare. The sky shifted from bright sunlight to a heavy gray, and the first hailstones began to fall while people were still working or shopping. Emergency alerts arrived too late, and by the time they were aware, the destruction had already begun. In Sichuan County, it started with soft tapping sounds. Then large hailstones slammed into the streets. Some were as big as small eggs, falling continuously and striking everything in their path. Within minutes, the roads disappeared under thick layers of ice. People rushed indoors, vehicles skidded, buses came to a halt, and shop awnings collapsed under the weight. The city seemed frozen, not from snow, but from solid ice. Videos from residents showed streams of melting hail running like rivers through the streets. Water and ice mingled, flooding sidewalks and overflowing into drains. It looked as if winter had fallen straight into the middle of summer. In nearby villages, the situation was no better. Streets were submerged in muddy water, parked cars drifted like leaves, and houses stood partially underwater, their windows dark from power outages. Across many districts, power lines collapsed, and transformers exploded in the distance. Some neighborhoods stayed in the dark all night. Repair crews worked non-stop, but the damage was widespread. Shops and small businesses suffered heavy losses. Broken glass fell, roofs leaked, and street markets lost all their produce. Vendors swept shattered glass even as hail and rain continued to pour outside. The rural areas were hit the hardest. Farmers lost vegetables, fruit trees, and even tea plantations. Branches were torn, leaves shredded, and crops destroyed in less than an hour. By the next morning, local authorities arrived to assess the devastation. Some farms would need weeks to recover, while others might not return until the next year. Initial reports already showed serious financial damage. This storm reminded many of Ziyang in August 2022, when more than 400,000 households lost electricity. Streets were flooded and buildings cracked. The weather back then, just like today, arrived without warning. Sichuan has faced such events before. In August 2012, Huan City was hit by egg-sized hail, destroying over 12,000 homes and injuring hundreds of thousands. Yet, storms still managed to surprise. Experts say that mountains, sudden temperature swings, and humid air are key factors triggering violent storms. August and September bring the highest risks, and each year the danger grows. In Sichuan, this month's hail not only froze the city, but also drowned it. Drains failed, and melting hail mixed with rain flowed through markets and alleyways like a flood. Local rescue teams acted quickly, clearing fallen trees, repairing power lines, and distributing tarps to families with damaged roofs. Relief groups went door to door, checking on the injured and providing help, but warnings can only go so far. In towns like Sichuan, people act fast, seek shelter, and hope each storm leaves less damage than the one before. Experts warn that more storms could strike before the end of August. Communities have begun gathering, sharing food, and building safer shelters. What this storm left behind is not just broken glass and flooded streets, but a sharp reminder that nature always moves faster than any warning. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. Together, we can raise awareness about what's happening in China. Leave a comment below. What do you think should be done to prevent future disasters like this? Subscribe for more real-time reports on China, the environment, and global crises. Together, we stay informed. Together, we stay prepared. Thank you, and stay safe.
Nature doesn't send us warnings, but we can. Floods, earthquakes, wildfires, and storms are striking harder and faster than ever before. By subscribing, you are not just watching, you are joining a movement to stay alert, stay informed, and helps others to do the same. Hit the subscribe now because the next disaster won't wait, and neither should you. Be ready and be aware.